Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace is a revolutionary platform designed to help businesses accelerate their digital transformation. As industries continue to evolve, companies are seeking ways to optimize operations, reduce inefficiencies, and remain competitive in an increasingly digital landscape. Siemens has created a curated ecosystem that allows organizations to discover, customize, and integrate cutting-edge solutions across industries such as manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and smart cities. Unlike traditional online stores, the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace offers a highly personalized experience, allowing businesses to tailor solutions to their specific needs. Rather than simply purchasing software or hardware, companies gain access to comprehensive digital tools that integrate seamlessly into existing systems. This approach ensures that organizations are not just adopting new technology but are truly transforming how they operate. At its core, the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace is an open digital business platform that provides access to software solutions, IoT-enabled hardware, and cloud-based services. These offerings are designed to make digital transformation accessible, scalable, and easy to implement. Businesses can browse the marketplace, identify solutions that align with their industry, and integrate them into their workflows with minimal disruption. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace operates as an ecosystem of digital solutions, providing businesses with a structured yet flexible way to incorporate modern technology into their operations. The process begins with browsing and discovering relevant solutions, allowing companies to explore a vast selection of digital tools across multiple industries. The platform is organized to help businesses find solutions based on their specific needs, rather than navigating a generic catalog. Once a company identifies a suitable solution, it can customize and configure the tool to match its existing infrastructure. Customization is a key feature of the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace, ensuring that businesses receive tailored solutions rather than one-size-fits-all products. This flexibility makes it easier for companies to implement digital solutions without major overhauls of their existing systems. After selecting and customizing a digital solution, businesses can integrate it seamlessly into their operations. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace also provides guidance, expert consultations, and training resources to help companies adopt new technologies without significant disruptions. This support ensures that businesses can maximize the value of their digital investments and achieve long-term success. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace serves a wide range of industries, each benefiting from its unique offerings. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance solutions powered by AI and IoT sensors help companies reduce machine downtime and maintenance costs. These tools analyze machine performance in real time, allowing businesses to identify potential failures before they occur, resulting in improved operational efficiency. In the automotive sector, supply chain management and logistics optimization are critical. Companies using the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace can access real-time supply chain tracking, enabling them to reduce delays, optimize inventory management, and improve coordination between suppliers and manufacturers. This streamlined approach enhances production efficiency and minimizes disruptions. Healthcare providers leverage Siemens AI-powered diagnostics and data analytics tools to improve patient care. By utilizing real-time data analysis, hospitals can enhance treatment accuracy, monitor patient progress more effectively, and optimize resource allocation. These advancements lead to improved healthcare outcomes and more efficient hospital operations. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace also plays a vital role in smart city development. IoT-enabled devices can be integrated into energy grids, public transportation systems, and water management facilities to optimize resource distribution and reduce waste. By using AI and real-time monitoring, cities can cut energy consumption and lower costs, contributing to more sustainable urban development. Several companies have already experienced transformative results through the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace. A leading global manufacturing company faced significant production delays due to unplanned machine failures. By implementing predictive maintenance solutions from the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace, the company reduced machine downtime by 30% and improved production efficiency. An automotive company struggling with delays in supply chain deliveries adopted real-time logistics tracking through the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace. As a result, they improved supply chain visibility, reduced transportation costs, and achieved 20% faster delivery times. This optimization allowed them to meet customer demands more efficiently and enhance overall business performance. A European city used Siemens IoT-enabled energy management solutions to optimize its power grid. This initiative led to a 15% reduction in energy waste, resulting in lower utility costs for residents and a more sustainable urban environment. These real-world case studies demonstrate the tangible benefits of digital transformation through the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace. Adopting digital solutions through the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace offers several advantages for businesses. Increased efficiency is one of the most significant benefits, as companies can automate manual tasks, reduce downtime, and enhance productivity. Predictive analytics and AI-driven solutions help businesses cut operational costs and eliminate inefficiencies, leading to improved profitability. The scalability of digital solutions is another key advantage, allowing businesses to expand their technological capabilities as they grow. Whether a company is a startup or a multinational corporation, the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace provides tools that can be scaled up to meet evolving needs. This ensures that businesses remain future-proof and adaptable to changing market conditions. Sustainability is also a critical factor in digital transformation. With smart energy management, IoT-powered monitoring, and real-time data insights, businesses can reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining operational efficiency. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace enables organizations to implement eco-friendly solutions that align with global sustainability goals. While large enterprises have been quick to embrace digital transformation, small businesses often hesitate due to concerns about cost, complexity, and technical expertise. However, the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace is designed to be accessible for businesses of all sizes. Small companies can start by implementing one solution, such as an AI-driven analytics tool or an inventory management system, before scaling up. Siemens provides training, expert consultations, and workshops to help businesses understand how to integrate digital solutions effectively. By leveraging these free resources, small businesses can gain the knowledge and support needed to navigate digital transformation successfully. Cloud-based services available on the marketplace also eliminate the need for expensive infrastructure, making advanced technology more affordable. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace represents the future of digital transformation. In the coming years, businesses will see more advanced AI applications, fully digitized supply chains, and widespread adoption of automation. Organizations that embrace digital solutions today will position themselves as leaders in their industries and gain a competitive edge. To get started, businesses can visit the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace, explore available solutions, and try product demos or consultations. Digital transformation does not have to be overwhelming. By taking small steps, companies can gradually integrate smart technologies that improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences. As industries continue to evolve, the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace provides businesses with the tools needed to stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. Whether a company is looking to optimize manufacturing processes, enhance healthcare services, or develop smart city initiatives, this platform offers innovative solutions tailored to various industry needs. Embracing digital transformation is not just about keeping up with trends, it is about future-proofing businesses and creating long-term value. By adopting the technologies available through the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace, companies can enhance their operations, drive innovation, and position themselves for success in the digital age. Businesses that take the first step toward digital transformation today will be the ones leading the market tomorrow. The Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace provides a clear and accessible pathway for organizations to integrate cutting-edge technologies and unlock new growth opportunities. By leveraging the power of digital solutions, companies can transform their industries and drive progress toward a smarter, more connected future. Are you ready to take your business to the next level with Siemens Xcelerator? The future of industry is digital, and now is the time to embrace the transformation. Whether you are a small business looking for a simple solution or a large corporation seeking advanced automation, the Siemens Xcelerator Marketplace offers the tools you need to succeed. Thanks for tuning into the renewenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.